Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma recently distributed the Meghalaya IT Awards 2026 to meritorious students of the 2025 academic year at the U Soso Tham Auditorium. Organized by the Information Technology and Communications Department, the program was attended by Minister Lakman Rimbui. A total of 203 students from classes 10 and 12, including those from MBOs, CBSE and ICSC boards, were honored and laptops were distributed to the awardees. In his address, the Chief Minister congratulated the students and stated that the awards recognize their hard work and dedication while encouraging them to pursue their goals and contribute to the state. Education Minister Lakman Rimbui highlighted the importance of digital technology in education, stating that the initiative reflects the government's commitment to empowering students and enhancing learning outcomes. Earlier, officials informed that the Meghalaya IT Awards, instituted in 2007, aim to promote academic excellence and digital empowerment among students.
Thank you. Next, I call upon Albert. Thank you. Next, I call upon Disha Chokani, representing MBOS Classwork Commerce. Next, I call upon Yurajimi Brilliant El Sudin, representing MBOS Class 10. Thank you. And finally, I call upon Yari Napusuk Sweat, representing MBOS. Thank you. Next, I call upon Ida Ruman Kumari Rai, CBSE Classwork Commerce. Next, I call upon Dhyana Das.
It gives me immense pleasure to be a proud recipient of this prestigious award. I am truly grateful to the IT and Communication Department, Government of Meghalaya and the Honorable Chief Minister for this wonderful initiative that encourages young minds across the state to engage in healthy competition and strive for excellence in their fields of study. Yes, I understand that marks are just numbers and not to be the sole measure to determine a person's future. However, recognition like this reminds us that hard work, dedication and consistency do matter. And it feels incredibly rewarding to have those efforts acknowledged. When I topped the MBOS Class 10 board examinations, I was not aware of these award program. But when I was informed about it, I was extremely happy. My excitement truly knew no bounds. It was an unexpected yet deeply meaningful moment.
I just wanted to, as I said, let you know that we are here to really appreciate and give a small pat on the back to tell you that we are all very proud of you. And that's really what the purpose of today's program is. It's not the value of the laptop, it's not the value of us standing here, but it's the value of all the hard work that you put in. So, I remember a young friend had come and give a speech out here saying that please give a round of applause to the IT department. I think it should be the other way around. I think if I could request all our officials and the VIPs who are present, let us all stand up and give a round of applause to the students. Yeah, parents can get up, students can sit. Students don't need to stand. We are applauding you. Your parents are applauding you. The government is applauding you for what you have done. This is a very, very proud moment for all of you. You know, I was very clear when I completed my undergrad that I want to go back to my state and give back to my state. Because that's what my father told me. In fact, he told me that I was 17 when I left India and went to Philadelphia. And a very young boy at that time. And my father told me the only reason I will let you go is you will come back after you complete and you will not start working there. And that is what prompted me to come back to Meghalaya and start my own business, do what I could to contribute to our state. Today God has given me this amazing opportunity to serve all of you who are sitting out here and the entire state. And that's why we do our best to give back to our state. We do our best to contribute and to take our state forward. So I do want to leave you with that small thought of some patriotism and some commitment to the state also.